Everyone, myself G. Nagendra. I from Civil Department, first BTech, Right Sim 2023-24. Essay 2 assignment Srinivasa Ramanujuru Institute of Technology, Autonomous, Rotarypuram Village, Bukkrai Samudra Mandalam, Anantapur Village. Today topics: mathematics, subject and differently equivalence, subject code 23MA202, student name Nagendra G, roll number 234G180121, branch civil. Equivalent integrate f bar is equal x square plus y square y bar plus x square minus y square into j bar, and C is the curve y is equal to x square joining the points O comma O into 1 comma 1 in x comma y plane. Solution: f bar dr bar is equal to x square plus y square into I plus x square minus y square j bar into dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dzx bar is equal to x square plus y square dx plus x square minus y square dy. Integral C f bar dr bar is equal to integral C into x square plus y square dx plus x square minus y square d into dy, where the curve y is equal to x square, dy is equal to dx 2x dx, x 0 to 1, x line y line, curve y is equal to x square 1 comma 1 0 degrees 0 comma 0 y integral 0 f bar d r bar is equal to integral 0 1 x square plus y square into dx plus x square minus y square into dy is equal to integral 1 0 into x square plus y square dx plus x square minus d4 2x dx. ఇప్పుడు is equal to integral 0 x square plus y x square plus x4 plus 2x3 minus 2x5 into dx. ఇప్పుడు is equal into x cube by 3 plus x5 by 5 plus 2 x4 by 4 minus 2 x6 by 6 into power of 1 is equal to 0. అన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తే 1/3 plus 1/5 plus 1/2 minus 1/3 minus 0. Calculation is equal to 7/10. Thank you, sir. Thank you.